How to create your own avatar in HeyGen. Hey there, are you looking for a powerful tool to create AI generated videos effortlessly? Meet HeyGen AI, the ultimate platform for creating professional looking videos in just minutes. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or business owner, HeyGen is here to revolutionize your video creation process. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about HeyGen AI, how to create stunning videos, customize them, and maximize their potential for your needs. Let's jump right in. Now, before we head over to our tutorial, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, from here, I'll go ahead and tell you what is HeyGen AI. Now, HeyGen is an advanced AI-powered video creation platform. It allows you to create videos with realistic AI-generated avatars, customized script, voiceover, and animations. Use template to make the process fast and efficient. Whether you're creating explainer videos, training content, or social media ads, HeyGen makes it simple and professional. Now basically you want to head over to their official website, which is heygen.com, HeyGen.com. From here you will be able to create your own account by clicking on the sign up for free button. So just go ahead and click on this button right here. You will then be prompted to this page where you can sign up for your Google account, Apple account, or your own email. So I'll just go ahead and click on my Google right here to make my own account. Right after creating your account, you will then be prompted to your own dashboard. From here, you want to go ahead and click on the I agree button, click on continue, and now we can go ahead and create our own videos. From here, you have something like home, project, templates, avatar, your own AI voices that you can go ahead and customize or download. You have your brands, you have your own uploads tab, and more. Now to get started, you want to navigate through the create video section right here, and it will ask you if you want to create an avatar video. Create videos using lifelike avatars that read your script with a natural voice. Or if you want a video translation, you can translate video with lip sync while retaining the speaker's original voice. Now let's go ahead and click on the avatar video right here, because this is one of their most advanced feature on HeyGen. Right after that, we can now go ahead and start selecting our resolution. You have your portrait and you have your landscape. Let's go ahead and select landscape right here. And right after, we are now inside the video editor page. In here, you can basically go ahead and create your own avatar, or if you scroll down, you can go ahead and select one if you don't want to create your own. Now to explore the features of this website, let's navigate through the avatar creation tool, and from here you simply want to click on get started. In here we have our instruction. You can go ahead and choose an avatar style. You have your still, or you have the motion avatar. Let's just go ahead and select still avatar right here. Right after that, you can go ahead and choose between these options if you prefer a video instruction or you prefer a text instruction. To make things easier, I'll click on the text instruction. In here you have your instructions for the recommended ones, and you have things to avoid. You have to submit 2 to 5 minutes of footage it is required, use a high resolution camera, record in a well lit, quiet environment, look directly into camera, pause between each sentence with your mouth closed, and use generic gestures and keep hands below your chest. Now you basically want to avoid stitch out or cut footage, talking without pauses, changing positions while recording, shadow on or overexposure on your face, diverting your gaze or looking around, hand gesture above the chest, and lastly use of pointing gesture. From there you can go ahead and navigate through the next step, and right after you can basically go ahead and upload your own video, or you can go ahead and record with a webcam. Now as an example, I'm going to use one of the footage examples right here because I could not go ahead and actually upload my own face. So you want to go ahead and click on the upload video, and from here you want to go ahead and upload your footage via Google Drive, or you can basically just go ahead and drag your video clip right here. So let's just go ahead and find our video clip, and right after that just go ahead and drag it inside the HeyGen website. From here it will then go ahead and basically upload our file. Now we have multiple choice in order to go ahead and fix this. For an optimal, more realistic avatar, please confirm that you have meet the video requirements. Now our face is visible at all times. We are directly looking at the camera. There are pauses between sentence, and the environment is well lit. Now in here you also have the option to keep the ambient sounds in the recording. I'm not going to do that to make everything look good. And from here we can now go ahead and choose the my footage look good. If you're on the paid subscription, you can go ahead and choose the AI background removal or the 4K resolution. And so to proceed, click on my footage look good, and now we are one step away. To prevent misuse of technology, we just need to confirm that the person in the video is you. So you can just go ahead and record yourself via webcam and you should be good to go. Or you can just go ahead and use the QR code right here, and from there you will be able to open your camera from your mobile devices and go ahead and record yourself. Now right after that, you can now go ahead and use your own created avatar. To go ahead and proceed, navigate through the avatar category, and once inside you will be able to go ahead and click on your own avatar right here. Now as an example, I want to go ahead and use this avatar. Let's just go ahead and say that I've created this myself. And right after that, just go ahead and choose your posing. Now in your case, you will be able to choose one posing right here because you have created your own avatar. But for the generated ones, you can go ahead and choose different poses. Now in our case, let's go ahead and choose this specific avatar, and right after that you will be able to choose between landscape or portrait. Let's go ahead and choose landscape, and basically from here you will be taken to this page where you can now go ahead and edit out the script for your own avatar. And so to do that, you can just navigate through the side categories right here. You have the script menu, edit out your script, and basically you will be able to go ahead and say the script based on your avatar right here. Now to listen to our script, you can just click on the play button above the script box.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
You can also go ahead and choose your voice if you want to, but to make everything great, I'll just go ahead and use the default voice right here. Now you can also go ahead and add something like text, elements, or assets. If you want to go ahead and promote your social media, you can just go ahead and put it right here. You can add some text, and you will be able to add your own customization to HeyGen right here. Now to go ahead and generate our script with our generated avatar or created avatar, all you have to do is to basically go ahead and click on submit. Right after that, you will be able to edit the properties of this specific file. You have your file name, you have your location, resolution, frames per second, and lastly format. Click on submit, wait for a few seconds, and we will be able to create our own video while using the avatar that we just created.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
And so as you can see, we have managed to create a perfect or good video right here by just using the created avatar or one of the default avatars here on HeyGen. You can just go ahead and edit your script the way you want to, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.